Ever wondered why Geneva, Switzerland is on everyone's bucket list? Well, let's unravel that mystery together. Tucked away in the southwestern corner of Switzerland, Geneva is much more than just a city. It's a global hub that brings together a diverse palette of cultures from across the world. But its international fame isn't the only thing that makes it stand out. Geneva's roots dig deep into history, carrying tales of time that echo through its cobbled streets and grand structures. As a proud torchbearer of diplomatic dialogues, the city is home to numerous international organizations. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's all work and no play. Geneva is also synonymous with an unparalleled quality of life, offering a blend of natural beauty, vibrant urban life, and tranquil countryside. So, ready to pack those bags and explore Geneva? Hold on. Let's dive deeper into what this city has to offer. Imagine a city nestled by a picturesque lake. Welcome to Lake Geneva, a shimmering jewel in the heart of the city. This lake is more than just a body of water. It's a lifeline, a playground, and a tranquil oasis all rolled into one. With the cityscape reflected in its glassy surface, the lake paints a picture that's as captivating as a masterpiece. Around this aquatic heart, life pulsates in rhythm with the gentle lapping of waves. Boats skim its surface, carrying both locals and visitors on serene journeys across the water. Picnics are spread out along its banks, laughter and chatter echoing against the backdrop of the lake's soothing murmur. And then there's the Jet d'eau, a towering water fountain that has become synonymous with Geneva. It's an unmissable sight, a spectacular testament to the city's vibrant spirit. With its crystal-clear waters, Lake Geneva truly is the heart of the city. Now, transport yourself to a different era in Geneva's Old Town. Imagine the rhythmic clatter of horse-drawn carriages and the murmur of hushed conversations echoing through the ages. This is the Old Town of Geneva, a place where history comes alive. Picture narrow, twisting lanes, paved with cobblestones, weaving their way through a labyrinth of historic buildings. Each stone, each brick, each tile has a story to tell, if you're willing to listen. At the heart of the Old Town is the majestic St. Peter's Cathedral, standing tall and proud for over 1,000 years. You can almost hear the tolling of its ancient bells, resonating through the centuries. This impressive structure, with its intricate stonework and towering spires, is a testament to the city's rich history and religious heritage. Just a stone's throw away is Maison Tavel, the oldest house in Geneva. Filled to the brim with relics and artifacts, it's a living museum, chronicling the city's journey from a small Roman settlement to a bustling metropolis. The worn-out stairs, the faded frescoes, the dusty books, each element whispers tales of the bygone days. But the Old Town isn't just about history. It's a vibrant blend of the old and the new. Along the cobbled streets, you'll find a plethora of charming cafes and boutiques. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, mixing with the scent of old books and antiquities. You can sip on a hot cuppa in a cozy corner, or browse through a collection of vintage treasures in a quaint shop. In the Old Town, every corner, every alley, every nook and cranny is a surprise waiting to be discovered. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the past and the present coexist in perfect harmony. The Old Town of Geneva is not just a tourist spot. It's an experience, a journey through time. Walking through the Old Town, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Art and history enthusiasts, Geneva has a treat for you. An array of museums and galleries dot the city, each offering a unique glimpse into the rich tapestry of history, culture, and creativity that defines Geneva. Take, for instance, the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. Here, you'll find a moving tribute to humanitarian work throughout history. Its exhibits are poignant reminders of the power of compassion, showcasing the organization's efforts in alleviating human suffering during times of war and natural disasters. A stone's throw away is the Museum of Art and History, one of the largest museums in Switzerland. It houses a diverse collection that spans from archaeology to applied arts. The museum's art division boasts works from masters like Rodin and Monet, while the archaeology division transports you back in time with artifacts from ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. But the artistic journey doesn't end there. Geneva is home to a vibrant contemporary art scene, too. Galleries like MAMCO, the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, are a testament to this. MAMCO's ever-changing exhibits keep the pulse on modern art trends, ensuring there's always something new to see. Then there's the Patek Philippe Museum, a paradise for watch enthusiasts. Here, you can marvel at an extensive collection of timepieces that date back to the 16th century, including exquisite creations from the renowned Swiss watchmaker Patek Philippe. And for those with a penchant for natural history, the Museum of Natural History offers a fascinating exploration of our planet's biodiversity. From dinosaur fossils to a diorama of regional wildlife, it's a journey that spans millions of years. In Geneva, every museum and gallery has a story to tell, a slice of the world to share. Each one is a testament to the city's respect for history, its appreciation for art, and its commitment to preserving and sharing knowledge. And so, whether you're a lover of fine art, a history buff, a science enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, you'll find that these cultural corners of Geneva have much to offer. Geneva's museums and galleries offer a cultural feast that shouldn't be missed. Geneva isn't just about its beautiful sights, it's also about the experiences. One way to dive into the heart of the city is through its culinary scene. Ah, the Swiss fondue. Picture this: a bubbling pot of melted cheese, a loaf of crusty bread, and a cozy alpine atmosphere. It's a quintessential Swiss experience that warms you from the inside out. And let's not forget the chocolates. Swiss chocolate is renowned worldwide for its quality and flavors. From creamy milk chocolate to rich dark varieties, each bite is a celebration of craftsmanship. Moving from the gastronomical delights, let's explore the city's shopping scene. Geneva is a world-class shopping destination, especially for those with an eye for luxury. The city is known as the watch capital of the world, and for a good reason. From iconic Swiss brands to artisanal boutiques, you can find timepieces that are not just accessories, but works of art. Now, as the sun sets over the city, Geneva comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. From chic cocktail bars to lively clubs, there's something for every night owl. The city's multitude of festivals, concerts, and cultural events further adds to the vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're a fan of jazz, classical music, or contemporary beats, you'll find your rhythm here. Geneva is a city that's constantly evolving, constantly surprising, yet it remains rooted in its rich heritage and traditions. It's a city that invites you to explore, to taste, to shop, to dance, and to immerse yourself fully in its unique vibe. It's a city where every moment can become a cherished memory, where every street can lead to a new adventure. Geneva, a city that offers a little bit of everything, is waiting for you to discover its magic.